welcome.
Yeah.
Stick
You
around.
can even see the, kind of see the,
Yeah, you're right. I didn't pay attention. The last three cars are still in the yard.
see the offset metal on the sides. Because that's how the real car looks.